Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's report and analytics system. In the dashboard, you will find the Reports and Analytics option, where you'll get all the system reports in one place. For example, if you click on the order report, you can view all the order ID, the total order amount, and details such as whether any discounts or taxes were applied. By clicking on the Action button, you'll be redirected to the specific order's detail page. You can also filter orders by date and even export reports to track and manage all your order information easily. Now let's move forward to the Customer Report. Here you'll find all the customer-related data, such as how many orders a customer has placed. By clicking on the Action button, you'll be redirected to the specific customer's detail page. This system mainly helps you collect and analyze customer data, so you can easily understand which foods your customers love the most, identify your repeat customers, and even offer them special discounts if you want. If you enable the VAT tax system, the report will be available here. You'll be able to track the order value, the amount of tax, and the related order ID. You can also filter the report by date, order type, or branch to get more specific insights. By clicking on the I button, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the applicable VAT tax for each order. Now, let's move forward to the Ingredient Purchase Cost Report. Here you'll find complete details such as the ingredient information, total purchase quantity, total purchase cost, and the purchase cost per unit. You'll also have the option to view detailed reports for each ingredient. There's an option to download the report for offline use. Just like the other reports, you can also filter the data based on your needs. In the Transactions section, you can view all your restaurant's financial activities, including order transactions, expenses, and purchases. You can also search by transaction ID to quickly find a specific record. By clicking on the Action button, you'll be able to see the detailed information for each transaction. Let's now move forward and see how the expense report works. The expense report shows all the expenses of your restaurant, such as utility bills, ingredient purchases, and rent. To set this up, you'll first need to create an expense type. After that, create the expense by selecting the expense type, entering the expense amount, choosing the payment method, and specifying the branch where the expense applies. With this setup, you can easily track and manage all your expense reports in one place. That's all about the Menumium Reports and Analytics system. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!